This is the mystery bird. I was calling it, what was I calling it?
Squeaky.
I was calling it Squeaky, but at 2:30 in the morning it was hard to say the Q, so I just named it KIKI. KIKI? Here. Come on. There she is. Hi, KIKI. Hi. KIKI's from the Wildlife Center. I'm resetting it for a lady named Debbie Anderson. Hi, KIKI. We don't know what it is yet. I'm thinking maybe a catbird. Catbird, maybe. KIKI! 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 There's my Kik! Hi, KIKI! Oops, let me get this out. Hi, KIKI! Kik's been living in a Tupperware nest. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. When you put it in this way, it comes out the other usually, so you gotta get ready. Oh, here we go, here we go. Whoa, whoa. Got it. Success. Success. There's my Kik. There's my Kik. Here you go, Kik. Here you go. Okay. I'm going to give her a worm, a mealworm. Where'd it go? Here it is. There you go, Kik. Now you got to get something in it. Oh, it's coming back out. Oh, Kik. Kik. Okay, wait. We have to try this again. Nobody said I was professional. I'm not a professional mother bird. Kik. There you go, Kik. There you go. He's got this stuff he eats. It's a mixture of cat food, Pedialyte, and Baby Flake cereal. There you go. If you want to do this, though, you better train at a wildlife center first, because you'll hurt this animal. You could pierce its little mouth or do it wrong. I know. There's my Kik! There's my Kik! Kik! Kik? Kik? I'm over here, Kik. Kiki! Hi, Kik! Hi, sweetie. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You got plans for today? You got plans for today? What are you going to do? What are you going to do all day? What? What are you going to do? You going to beg for food? Yes, food. We love food. Food. I love food. I'll go, Kik. Good Kiki. Good Kiki. I know. We're going to move her into a fresh bed. Come on, Kiki. There. You got it, Joe?
Yeah.
There. Now she's in a clean bed. Right? Kiki! Kik! Kik! Good baby. Good baby. Good baby. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Who's the good baby? Kik is. Kik's the good baby. When Kik arrived about 4 days ago, it barely had any feathers. Come on, sweetie. Kik barely had any feathers, so she's getting bigger every day. Right? Yes. You're my good baby. You're my good baby. I know. Who's the good baby? Kiki is! Kiki! Kiki! I know. I love you. Okay. Let's see. You want another worm? You want another worm? I like the fuzz on its head. Ooh. I like the fuzz on its head. Yes, I know, sweetheart. I know. Oh, no, he's tired. Now we're getting sleepy. Yes, we are. Yeah. You're my Kik. Yes, you are. Are you my Keek? Are you my Keek? Did you help me? There's Keek. There's my 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 Keek. Keek's a baby. Keek's a baby. Yes. Keek's a baby. 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 What? What? Keek's a baby. 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 Yes, you are. Keek's a baby. Keek's a baby. Keek's a baby. Keek's a baby. We don't know what happened. Keek fell out of a nest and was brought into a wildlife center. The mystery bird. Right, Keek? What are you going to do today? You got plans? You got plans? He's tired. Tired. Yeah, Keek's tired. Keek's tired. Keek's tired. Yes. Now what do you want to do? Now what do you want to do? Go to sleep? You want to go to sleep? Huh? Come on, let's eat some more, Keek. Let's eat some more. Come on. Keek, 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 Keek. Tired? Oh, all right. That's all right. That's all right. We could do this later. We could do this later. We could. Want to? You want to do this later? Come on. Keek. I think Keek had enough, so we'll put Keek back home. Bye, Keek. I got a mirror in here, so Keek knows it could watch itself grow up and know it's a bird and not a bleach blonde. And so I think that's a good idea. Right, Keek? Right. Good night. Good night, Keek. So there's a mirror in there, and Keek looks at himself, or herself, we can't tell right now. If you can get in there and see, there's a little mirror. I don't know whether you can catch that or not.
Yeah.
Okay, Keek, we'll do this again later. Like in 20 minutes. Yes, it's all night and all day of great fun. And I love this thing, I do. Good night, Keek. My little chicken. My little chicken. Good night.